Welcome to the biggest day trading mistakes. Hey traders, nice to meet you. We are looking at the markets with many examples, China's growth and oil situation exposed. Why you need a replicate framework for trading. All this comes now. Stay tuned.
Delta One Trading, the real pros.
Number 5. Trading is a business. Okay, please act like a boss. What I'm meaning with this, as a boss you don't play, all what you make needs sense. Okay? On the market gives no free lunch. Mistakes are horrible for you. You heard about this YOLO trader? I mean, in the media you heard about the wins, not the losses. That's not good. My advice for you, please learn 6 months on a paper trade account. Build a framework and make practice. You need practice on the markets. Take a setup and make practice with the setup. Make your profit with the strategy. Has your 20 trades wins or losses? No winning trades? Cut them off. Next setup, please. Next 20 trades. Follow the simple rules. First one. Trade on a demo account, please. Really, please. Second one, trade setups many times and tracking the winning and the losses. Third one, find your edge. Your edge is important. And the last one, don't trade your own money, trade money from companies. That's all, my friend. Trading is a business. Number 4, information overload. Hey, come on, what is this? Hey, what's going wrong? What? Come on, what is this? Oh man, indicators. Overall indicators. Man. Okay, many new traders search years for the only holy grail that doesn't exist. What exists is market player like Goldman Sachs or Nomura. We follow the big guys and trade with news trading or global macro. All the indicator stuff works not. What works is DMA line in bigger time frames. 50, 100, 200 DMA line works fine. Trend channel also. Banks and hedge funds looking that. Another indicator comes from the options market. Key level with high interest works also fine. Okay, also 3 things. DMA line, trend channel, options level. For the example, here is the SP500 chart. You can see trend channels, DMA line and options key level. Please stop the video and looking at this chart. For these trades we need the right story about the markets. Number 3, you don't know the market. First one, please hit the subscription button and like this video for the algorithm. Thank you. You don't know the words intermarket or sentiment? That's really sad. These words are very important for your trading. Intermarket means the flows over the assets like oil, yields, currency, stock market, commodities. All assets are connected. Here's a quick example. The oil price get higher and higher. Commodity stocks like Shell or Exxon rise up too. These stocks are biggest producer of oil and these companies had big wins about rising oil. I show you an example on China's growth and his relationship with oil. In China comes heavy economic data on production in the industry. There is not so good. China's growth is stuck by zero tolerance COVID strategy. China needs not so many oil in his production. As a trader know you that China the motor of the world is. Here's the trade in the CL future. Last but not least. Who are the market players do you know all? You are set a trade. You are now in the championship game. You must clever at all sides. Okay, here comes the list. We had hedge funds, CTAs, market maker from the options market, retail trader, futures trader, Ask yourself what wants all these market players. We follow the big money, flow traders at banks and hedge funds. We must know who's parking money in the markets. Number 2, no plan or framework. Think about it a second. What is a framework and how we do it? And every day the same. Come on, that's boring. I need action on the markets. I heard this in my career so much, and then blow your accounts off. It's gone. How can fix this? Look at my framework. Yeah, this is a little piece from my framework. This question comes every day and that's really boring, believe me. Okay, what we see? I play the game with scenarios. It starts by the most likely scenario and by the unlikely scenario. What could happen? Anything can happen on the stock market. Okay, read reports from Bloomberg or other news supplier. CNBC is the other news vendor, it's for beginners good. Okay, I'm asking me, is the situation on the market clear? Yes or no? No? I don't trade it. Where's my entry? How expensive is the trade? Is the trade from risk-reward ratio okay? Is this a AAA trade? I give trades many times a rating. That's all important question. This what you see is a little piece from my framework. The complete framework is secret, but you can learn all these things. Trust me. Okay, let's go to the next point. Number 1. No risk management. Hi, welcome back. The first problem about new traders is they had no risk management. New traders going in a market with no clue or edge. That's very expensive for the trader. Okay, the first question is, what costs me a trade? I must know how many money I lose with one trade. That's a simple answer. But nobody asks this question. It's crazy. So ask yourself this question, please. Your trading will be better on this part. Is my risk-reward ratio really good enough? I had 2 examples for you. Please think about it, the risk-reward ratio. It's really important and decides about trade. We see on this chart the 200 DMA line, a simple strategy like Paul Tudor Jones. We check the sentiment of the day and then we in the trade. You see, I lose more than I win. That is the most mistake in the trading game. The most. You cannot compensate losses with it. The risk-reward ratio is here stupid. Really stupid. The next chart tells another story, okay? The risk-reward is a dream and not raw in the game. You win $1,000 and lose not exactly $150. You have a risk-reward from 7. The old trader says, cut your losses and let profits run. I know it's not so easy, but yeah, you can. Okay. Why you go in the markets is the next question. That why is so important and save you for FOMO. FOMO kills many accounts from new traders. That is important, my friend. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me and please subscribe to the channel. The next video is a live trade about a CPI. You don't pass that. Also subscribe and live free.